This is the finish of my kitchen. This is the completed island. How do you like my pig, guys? Too cute. So this is the island. These are the only upper cabinets I have, and they're not really, they're cabinets, but I use them for storage. So I have an electrical socket in here, so I can open it up and still utilize this area for my appliances, because I can't stand a whole lot of appliances on my countertops. And this is my storage here. This is the other side. So yeah, it's a storage area to house most of my appliances and, you know, big items, bowls, and other things of storage. So yeah, nice big deep sink. Love that. And if you notice, I have all drawers. I did not want any regular upper cabinets in my kitchen. I didn't want it to have that cluttered look. So this is the finished product. Came out better than I expected. It really helped to move this back wall here 2 feet back into my dining area, which I don't use a lot, so it was nice to do that. I put this up to obscure being able to look outside or look in. This is the final results. So this is the finished product of my bathroom. The last video showed that the tile was in, but I didn't have my toilet. The tub was in, no sink. So now everything is finished. Flooring is in, my vanity, the toilet area, and this here is the piece de resistance, and that is my walk-in tub. So you just open the door, you step in, have a seat, close the door, you fill it up, and it is like a jacuzzi, everyone. It is just phenomenal. There's jacuzzi jets, there's air jets. This is a shower head, so if you want to take a shower or rinse off while you're in the bathtub, you can do so. I had them put up a shower holder. This tub also comes with, when you're taking a bath and you want to set something down like a drink or something, there's this little table here that swivels around if you need it, as well as it comes out. And let's say you want to take a shower, there's a lever back here. Now this is from in the inside, so you close the lever. This here is a shower door. So you close that right there, and then this will keep water from popping out onto the floor. If you want to utilize it as a shower, you don't have to worry about water, you know, again, coming out onto your floor. This side, I went ahead and splurged and got me one of these mirrors, everyone. Look at that. Oh, I love it. It also has a defogger, which is really needed because this is a small bathroom. But yeah, so I have this mirror here. I love it. I just really dig this vanity. It's not just square. It has, you know, some shape to it. So this is the finish of my bathroom. Thanks for tuning in.